Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing a scrapbook layout that I made for the Craft O'Clock creative team using the Sea Stories paper collection by Craft O'Clock. I love this paper and I love the way this scrapbook layout turned out. There's some tags in an envelope pocket that I made. The paper is so beautiful just by itself. The layout allows you to put lots of photos in. It's even got a fold out flap that opens up. And I'm going to show you just some of the unique features about this layout. This isn't based on a sketch or anything like that. It was just something creative I wanted to do with the paper. So I added a little tie right here, just with some regular twine that I had in my stash. And it's a photo fold open, which is really just some of the paper just folded in half. But when you open it up, you have room for more photos. And there's another fold open with room for more photos, and another fold open with room for more photos. There's places for journaling and places to add your own title. I added some quotes from the quotes pack. It coordinates there with the paper collection, and those tags come not pre-cut, but pre-designed, and all you have to do is literally cut the strip of paper in half. The tag is already kind of pre-printed, and the paper is really, really thick. It's 250 GSM. So this is what the layout looks like when I added my photos. Oh my goodness! This is when my youngest son was in a local theater version of The Little Mermaid a few years back. And look, I added a little sentiment quote there in the space. And some photos from when he was in the play. And look, I had cut out part of that fold open there and added the newspaper clipping from when he was right there in the paper. But I love how he peeks out from that part that I cut away from the fold open. And then here in the pocket with the tags, I added one of the tickets. Well, it's not really a ticket stub, but I added a ticket from the night. I left that blank on purpose so that my son could write on the back in his own handwriting some things he remembers from being in the play. And then when you open up the fold open, I can't wait to show you this part. When you open it up, there, look at the photos. Look at the newspaper clipping and the photos there that coordinate with the image on the newspaper clipping. Now, he played two parts in this play, so I wanted everything to match. There's one of the quotes. And look, I added open if you dare. I wrote that there in that little space. And so when you open it up, there's more pictures. You don't ever have to skimp or, cut back on your photos. Just add some hidden places for the photos. I mean, there is a sense of going overboard. No pun intended, right? But still, you can always add like a fold open so that you can see all the parts of the event and not cut back. There's more photos. And then here, when you open that up, there's photos of family when we came to see him after the show. I just love the way this turned out. So if you're interested, definitely head over to the Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, where you can see the tutorial of me making this layout. I do speak in English over there on their Polish YouTube channel, so you'll understand everything if you're in the USA. Also, if you're in the USA, you can click on the description box in the link below, and you can pick up this paper collection. Ships in the USA at the Sandpaper Road Etsy shop. Here is everything you will get in the paper collection. It is 12 by 12, although they put the centimeters there listed. The paper and all of the products do come from Poland, but you will not be paying the international shipping charge if you're buying it in the USA. I've already taken care of that for you. So that's the back of the packaging, and this is just the most beautifully printed paper, honestly, I have ever seen. Their collections and their graphics are just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I love the color, the design. It's just not overbearing. Great for all genders. I love, love, love the diversity in their collections. Look at that. Look at that. I love it so much. Look at that. I mean, I can't even stand it. I want to use that. I just want to put that in a frame and look at it. Just so, so nice. So that was one 12 by 12 pack that was used to make the layout. Just one. It comes with 6 sheets. Then this is the quote strip. Now you'll see that the quotes do look like they're in Polish, and they are. They're in Polish on one side, but English on the other. That's the back of the packaging there. There's the English. Just a really nice variety of just different quotes that you could use for whatever your mermaid adventures or sea adventures. This would also be great for beach pages, vacation pages, pirate birthday parties, that kind of thing. Here's the tags that I use. This is what I was saying earlier. They're pre-printed, but literally all you have to do is cut them out. And there's little embellishments there, and the back is a nice printed. It's not white. It's a coordinating color. And the strips pack, the quote strips, also comes with one strip that has little circle embellishments as well. It's really nice. You get a lot for the value. Now, to make this layout, I also used a pack of the Project Life cards in the Sea Stories collection. These measure 6 inches by 12 inches. And let me show you what's inside there. Look at that. That's the back of the packaging there. And then this is one side. Look at that. So if you do Project Life, or even if not, and look at the diversity. I love when companies are just mindful of being diverse in their images and their graphics. I love that. Look at that. It's like a scales on wood. Neat combination of graphics. Lots of different sizes if you're a card maker or a scrapbooker. And look at that. Oh, I just love it. Look at the mer people. I love, love, love it. Lots of diversity. It's wonderful. It's truly wonderful. And this is the other page from the pack. Nice pattern on the back if you didn't want to cut those apart. But if you did, so nice. Like I said, card making, journaling, just cutting apart, and also a pattern on the back. So you have lots of variety with this paper. And this is a single page of extras to cut. It's one 12 by 12 page of images that coordinate with the paper collection that I used to make my layout. Isn't it cool? That's really neat. So you can use straight scissors or tiny scissors, detail scissors. I use my Cutter Bee detail scissors, and I just sit and hand cut them out. If you are not a fan of fussy cutting, I mean, I really don't have like one of those scan and cut type machines, but I'm sure you could try it. And then this is the sheet of envelopes to cut. And I used just the one from that sheet. But then I did use several of these scrolls and banners from the bottom. And the back has just a nice coordinating pattern on the back that coordinates. And again, this is just a final look at what the layout looks like. And again, I'm over with a full tutorial on the Craft O'Clock channel. So head over there. I'll put a link below and you can take a look at that. Really, really fun. Now, I did add some paint spatter. You know me, I can't stand to not have paint in almost everything I do, but just turned out really nice. So thanks so much for looking. I'm going to show some photos here at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out the links below for the Craft O'Clock YouTube channel. And also you can click on the link to the Sandpaper Road Etsy shop if you're interested. And there's also a blog post over at sandpaperroad.com where there's more close-up photos and details of how I made this tutorial. Thanks so much for Craft O'Clock for providing the products today. And thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.